Getting the contract on a good real estate property is only half of the equation to successfully wholesale a deal. The other half is being able to find an active local cash buyer that you can flip it to for a profit. On this video, you're gonna learn one of my favorite unconventional strategies when wholesaling houses and how to steal cash buyers from other wholesalers. When wholesaling real estate, there are two major functions of the business. One is acquisitions, which is everything it takes to get a contract on a deal. And two is dispositions, which is everything it takes to flip your contract to a new buyer for a profit. And if you're brand new to wholesaling, watch this video for a better understanding. And if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make more money right now in real estate, not later, not in 10 or 20 years, or even 3 or 5 years, but right now so you can live your dream life. Consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. And stay to the end of this video because I'm gonna share a bonus tip for how to quickly become one of the top wholesalers in your market. The number one rule you need to understand when it comes to dispositions is the bigger and better your cash buyer list, the easier it is to wholesale your deals and the more money that you'll make per deal. You have to continually build your network of local active cash buyers in your market where you do deals. It does take time, energy, and effort, but on this video, you're gonna learn one of my favorite shortcut strategies for building your cash buyer list fast. You see, when it comes to wholesaling, in any given marketplace, I believe in the 80-20 rule, which is 80% of the wholesale transactions that take place come from 20% of the wholesalers. Another way to say it is 20% of wholesalers do 80% of the deals. Now, if you're not in the top 20% of wholesalers in your market, that's okay. Let me show you how to ride on their coattails. One of the reasons why the top 20% do so well is because they've built a robust cash buyer list, and when they get new deals, they effectively market those deals to their cash buyers. They do it mostly with phone, text, email, and websites. Now, most juggernaut wholesalers segment their cash buyers into 3 categories. First is their A-list. Now, these are repeat buyers and ready to buy right now buyers. They have cash ready to go and they commit very quickly to buy. The A-list usually gets first dibs on all new deals before anyone else even sees them. Next is the B-list. Now, these are investors that need a little more hand-holding. It takes them a little longer to decide. They usually need to line up funding and they need follow-up, but they're still good buyers. Then there's the C list, which are new investors, or they're investors that don't have funding, or they're just completely unclassified, meaning the wholesaler doesn't know much about them. They just somehow ended up on their cash buyer list. Now, once the A list has had a shot, deals are offered to the B list, usually via text or email. Then they're offered to the C list and also put on the website, etc. Now, imagine if you could get your grubby little fingers on their C list or their B list or even their A list. Now, you'd still have to bring deals to the table, but imagine what that list would be worth. Well, I'm going to show you how to follow a 5-step process to start poaching from those lists. Step number 1, research and find as many other wholesalers in your marketplace, especially the players. Now, this isn't hard because they advertise all over the place. Step number 2, build a wholesaler list just like you have a cash buyer list. Profile them, join their email list, find their websites, understand their niche and their business model. Step 3, this is where the fun begins, build a database of every property they offer for sale. Step number 4, follow up after those properties have sold and research who bought those properties. The buyers of those properties are the wholesalers' cash buyers. When a property is sold, the new owner is now available information on public record. You can look them up and track them down. You may need to use a skip tracing service such as batchskiptracing.com to get contact info, but now you know which property they bought and how much they paid for it. Step number 5, call the cash buyer, offer them a deal you have, find out when they plan on buying again, and ask for their permission to add them to your list and send them deals in the future. And you've just successfully added a local active cash buyer to your list. Now, if you think that's genius, click that like button right now. If you want to make more money in less time flipping houses, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. And I'm so glad that you stayed to the end of this video because I want to share a quick bonus tip for how to become one of the top 20% of wholesalers in your marketplace. As you come across other successful flippers, watch and learn and duplicate them as much as possible. What can you learn and apply from their success? Don't reinvent the wheel. copy proven success. For example, most of my success I've had as a luxury flipper with my high-end homes has been from copying what others have done before me. Let someone else prove it in the marketplace, and then you do it and maybe even do it better. Now leave a comment and let me know something that you've learned from another successful person that you've copied with great results. And also leave a comment, share your favorite technique for building your cash buyer list, and maybe I'll even copy it. Finally, be sure to watch this next video where I share how to find all of the local active cash buyers that buy on-market properties on the MLS. Now this is another really cool way to build your cash buyer list fast, so watch that video now. And if you found this video insightful or helpful, then hit that like button, share it on your social media, and I'll see you on the next video.